All right, it's experiment time. I got a bunch of these beans. These are fresh vanilla beans. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Even the package, like they were in a Ziploc bag, and even through the Ziploc, you can smell the vanilla, how awesome they are. I wanted to learn how to make homemade extracts for a while now, so I'm gonna do it. I have my jar I've rinsed out, and it's okay that it's got water in it because I'm gonna add distilled water anyway, but we'll shake it out. So what I'm learning, so you're gonna learn right along with me, extracts, the vanilla extracts, has to be sealed in the jar for a year, sometimes 18 months. So this is gonna be a long-term project. I'm not gonna really even know. But everything that I've researched, it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of rhyme or reason to it. I'm in a couple of groups, and so I got a lot of feedback from different people that have done it. Now, here's the thing. You need alcohol and your fresh vanilla beans. Everclear was like, by leaps and bounds, people recommended this as the best one. Some people say they use rum, some people use vodka, but hands down, the most people said that they use Everclear. So see how it says 190 proof? So with this, apparently, again, I'm still learning, with extracts, you want between 80 and 100 percent alcohol. So the 90 proof, the 190 proof is a 1-to-1 ratio between Everclear and distilled water. So if you figure 190 divided by 2 is 95. So having that with the water, it'll be 95% alcohol. So that's right in that 80 to 100 range. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, this is my first time, so I'm literally just kind of doing what everybody said to do, and it's kind of the no-fail way. We're gonna start this first jar, and then my plan is to do a few throughout the year, and I'll have them labeled, and we'll go from there. And we'll see next year how it turns out. But yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna funnel the whole beans. This is all 2 ounces. All of these are gonna go in the jar, and then I'm gonna do 8 ounces of Everclear, which is actually like 1 1/3 of these bottles. 8 ounces of Everclear and 8 ounces of distilled water. So I'm gonna put the camera down so I can do it with both my hands, because I don't want to mess this up. And then I'll show you what the results are. All right, so there we go. There's our 1-to-1 ratio of 1 cup or 8 ounces of Everclear, 8 ounces of distilled water, and that whole 2 ounces of the beans. But you can see the beans aren't fully covered, so I think I'm gonna have to get 2 more ounces to add to this, and so I can double the liquid. It should be okay for a short period of time, but yeah, I'm gonna add more. So this is a full bottle. I think this bottle is 24 ounces. Oh, it says right here, 33 1/4 ounces. Oh, so yeah, we got a lot of wiggle room there. But there is some little black floaties. That is the caviar from the beans, the vanilla beans. So kind of exciting. Anyhow, I'm gonna put the label on and say the date, and go from there. But I'm gonna have to order some more, I think, just so I can fill it enough that ideally you want the beans to be completely in the liquid.